Hi, this is Jay Turo, CEO of Growthink. With the new year in full swing, I would like to share some quick look back thoughts as to the entrepreneurial lessons learned in 2022 and how those lessons can best direct growth strategies for 2023 with the highest probability of success. 2022 was, in most business dimensions, a challenging year. Financial markets, for business and consumer confidence, and for the ability of companies in most industries to attain meaningful top and bottom line growth. Frustrating, but in retrospect, most of the 2022 economic headwinds could have been predicted. Given the artificial nature of much of what could really be described as 2020-21 pandemic boom times, driven by massive government stimulus into all facets of the economy. So 2022 being a bit of a reset year, both make sense. It is also not entirely a bad thing. And it presages for 2023 a nice and pure return to good old-fashioned business fundamentals like tactical excellence. Over the past 3 years, we have all had to pivot and adjust like never before as to organization structure and design, virtualization, work from home considerations, a very tight labor market, increased cost of marketing and customer acquisition, new tax and regulatory burdens, among very many others. As we move into 2023, many of these considerations have either resolved themselves, mitigated, or in the case of regulatory tax burdens, at least gotten to a steady state such that here in 2023, we very well might have back a beautiful thing, business as usual. And in business as usual, those who get their strategy in place quickly and simply, and then just stick to the timeless business basics, very hard work, tough love managerial accountability, and a daily fighting spirit and commitment to deliver massive value to existing customers and win every, any, and all competitive battles for new customers and markets. Another big profitability theme for 2023 will be pricing. One of the best and simplest strategy books I've ever read was Confessions of the Pricing Man by Herman Simon, who built an 860-employee, $300 million consulting practice based solely on advising companies as to the two central tenets that pricing is the most impactful decision on a company's profitability, and that for every product and service in every market, there's always one right price or price structure and a multitude of wrong ones. Perhaps more than any year in recent history, because of the inflationary swirls in the economy, the opportunity for businesses across industries and markets to take a fresh look at their pricing strategy and make adjustments as needed is probably the number one factor that can quickly improve business profitability right away. Finally, 2023 can and should be a year where businesses, no matter their size, industry, or market, think and act globally across all their business processes. The world in 2022 had a depressingly mercantilist feel to it. Putin's invasion of Russia, China's ongoing COVID closing, and the general stay-home hangover from 2 years of lockdowns resulted in a more national business sentiment than had been seen in many years. Well, in 2023, there are signs of softening all over. China has reopened. Ukraine remains a humanitarian tragedy and geopolitical flashpoint, but the hope here is that a peaceful resolution is more likely than not in the months to come. Travel levels have returned to pre-pandemic levels, what humans have done since the days of Marco Polo and beyond. They've been reach out, they're stepping out for adventure, for connecting, and for profit. And as it comes naturally, this desire and ambition to do business anywhere, everywhere, and with everyone will, for the most thoughtful companies among us, be both great strategy and great for the future of our world. Because there's no greater ambassador of peace, prosperity, affection, and respect between the peoples of the world like doing good business together. So in 2023, let's be tactical and accountable, price assertively, and look over the horizon for employees, contractors, vendors, partners, clients, customers, and more. And if and as you do, this year will be the year where your business breaks through, breaks out, and fulfills on all of its incredible potential. And as you would like to connect with an advisor of quality and integrity to come in and lend a hand, reach out to us for a complimentary consultation via the link below.